Hey guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Excessive2 and today I'm going to be giving you guys some tips about how to transform your car exterior. And as you can tell, my car is fully modded out on the exterior in my opinion, except a wide body kit, and I'm not all the way slammed to the ground, but that's just the way I want it. So, but I'm going to be just giving you guys some tips about how to transform your car interior because I personally had it all stocked when I first started, and I have been through a lot of different types of mods and cheap mods and expensive mods. So I'm going to be showing you guys some good tips about how to transform your exterior of your car. So, starting off with the front, um, you can, and by the way guys, this is not like some, well, it can be crazy big mods and some can be smaller mods. So yeah, starting off with the front, you can always paint your logos. Mine is plastic up right now, but I usually just recommend painting them. I did go through my plastic dip phase and I did not like it. I mean, it works out great sometimes, but for temporary only. But yeah, your wheels are the number one thing that stands out on your car. Um, in my opinion, I just cleaned them and my car was so dirty. I haven't seen my wheels this clean in a while. So yeah guys, the wheels are definitely a very important part to your car interior, and it looks so much better um, once you match your wheels. So you can match your wheels to your car color, or you can do a contrast color like black with a separate color or something like that, something that matches or contrasts your car exterior color. And then you can also wrap or paint your car. Wrapping is a more um, cheaper way of doing it, and then painting is obviously expensive. So yeah, definitely wrapping your car is a cheaper way of changing your car color. You can do it yourself. It does take time and it is a lot of hard work to wrap, but eventually you will get to the point where you want to try to do stuff yourself to your car. But if not, you can go ahead, pay if you have the money to do it. So, but yeah, definitely wrapping your car is the way to go if you want to do it cheap way. If you want to paint your car, that's more permanent and um, it's more expensive, but go ahead and do it if you do have the money. So guys, you can always do a body kit. The body kits are super expensive. I think it might be one of the most expensive mods that you can do to your car. You can either do a molded body kit or a bolt-on wide body kit, but I usually personally like the bolt-on because it looks better. The molding looks kind of stockish. I like a modded car look. I like that. But you can do a wide body kit. You can do just a body kit like my Street Arrow kit that I have full on. You can get just side splitters. You can get a front lip. You can get a rear diffuser, and there are a lot of different diffusers and front bumpers that look stock and more aggressive, and there's a lot that look more modded out. So yeah, you can always do a wing. I went with like a subtle wing that kind of matches. A lot of people like to do carbon fiber wings, carbon fiber trunks. Um, they like to do a lot of carbon fiber. I don't like to do carbon fiber. Well, I would want to do carbon fiber, just not on this car, I don't think. So yeah, so a lot of the body parts you can do to make your car look more modded out and transformed. Now guys, you can do banners. I had something written on the banner before, but not anymore. I just like it clean white. And you can get banners. You can match the car with the banner, or you can do a contrast color. But I did matching because it almost looks like it's part of the roof, but not quite. Um, but you can do small stuff that's unique to your car. Like I wrapped the rear roof window because there was no need for it. There was really no point for it, and a lot of people think that it is part of the roof. So I wrapped the rear roof window, and it looks amazing. Um, you can do like fins like this. I painted these white. Yeah, you can do fins like that to make it more aggressive. You can do window deflectors. It makes your car look different. Um, yeah, you can do mud flaps like I did. Canards. That's a really aggressive mod that you can do to transform your car interior. Um, but yeah, just like little things like this, little subtle things like this, like the white windshield wipers, that transforms your car and it makes a matching theme to the entire car, and it looks like an art project. But yeah, subtle things like that makes your car really stand out. Even like the tow hook for shows. I know it's kind of cheesy, but a lot of people think that they don't like tow hooks or they hate on tow hooks. I just do it just for car shows, and it looks cool and it matches. It's white. Anything that I could do white to match the theme of my car, I did. Okay, I'm sorry guys. But yeah, even tire letters, subtle things like that make your car look like a race car and transforms your car totally. What else? What else is there? This is the exterior car. I was literally about to go to my interior, but I remembered it's an exterior video. So, oh yeah, you can do exhaust tips even if you don't have a catback or catless exhaust. Um, you can always have a muffler delete or resonate delete, and then just put random exhaust tips that look really good to your car exterior. But yeah, mine has a catback exhaust and BRP, but you can just do some random tips that you just buy offline, and you don't have an exhaust or anything, and you can do that if you want. You can just have tips on your car to make it look really cool on the outside. But yeah, whatever you guys want, you can do to your car. My recommendation is to do whatever you think is right for you. This is your car, so do your own colors, do your own project on your car, do whatever you want to do to your car exterior to transform it, because at the end of the day it's your car and you look at it every day. Um, People will tell you to do stuff and I'm like, I don't know. Do you want to impress more people, or do you want to enjoy your car for yourself? I don't know. That's just me. I like enjoying my car for myself, and I like transforming my car exterior to my liking. And yeah. But yeah, guys, I would say the one thing for a car exterior is pick a theme. Whether it is a contrast car theme or any other matching theme, just choose a theme. You can do black or white, white. A lot of people are doing colors like purple and black wheels, stuff like that. Choose a theme and stick with a theme, because if you have random colors all over, it's not gonna look cool. Maybe to you if you want, but if it's a colorful theme, yeah, I would understand. But like, if it's all like random color parts, that would be weird. So definitely transforming your car exterior. Choose a theme for your car. Lowering your car definitely transforms your car a lot. Yeah, that's pretty much it for transforming your car exterior. I'm going to do a small montage right now to show you guys everything that I've done to my car exterior. 3, 2, 1, go. and also guys, a couple other things with transforming your car exterior. It has to do a lot with lowering, but you wanted to choose between a track car, a stance car, a rally car, whatever it is. If you do like a rally car, you don't want to slam it or something, because that won't look good with all the other rally components that you have on it. So you want to stick to your theme of your car, like a rally car, a stance car, slam it, a track car. If you have a track car, put tire stickers or an aggressive wing. Stance cars tend to look more clean without a wing, so whatever. Choose your theme and stick to it and do the whole thing like that if you're gonna do a certain theme. But yeah guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I got myself coffee. If you guys are not local or local, I got Noah's Bagels coffee, and I did get Noah's coffee too, so Noah's Bagels. But yeah, I got Noah's coffee, and I'm just admiring my car because I did clean it last night and it was super dirty. As you can tell in my past videos, my wheels were super dirty. Maybe I'll show you a clip of that in this video of how dirty my wheels were. Wait. Yeah, I'm just admiring how good the car looks, and yeah, that's how you transform your car exterior. That was from when my whole car was stock and it turned into this look, so I'm happy about it, and it's only what makes you happy. So yeah guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. My name is Excessive2, and please subscribe down below and like if you enjoyed the video. Bye guys. Oh, and guys, one last thing. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I did shave, so it might look a little different, and my hair grew back just a little bit in the past couple of days. So but yeah, I did shave, so from the last video I look kind of different. That's why. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso.